What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD. Today I'm going to be talking about the Pharrell Human Race NMD in this coral colorway. Now I know this review is kind of late, but I actually didn't cop these sneakers on release date. I very rarely pay resale price for a sneaker. It's only if I absolutely need it, and in this case I did. This is probably my #1 sneaker of 2018, so I absolutely had to cop these, so I went ahead and paid resale. So I already reviewed the blank canvas colorway of this Holi pack. I will leave a link to that video at the top of the screen. But I actually went ahead and sold those sneakers, first of all because they weren't in my size, and second of all, this was the colorway that I really wanted from this pack. And the reason for that is I absolutely love how truly inspired this colorway is by the Holi season in India. Now I have an Indian background myself, and I've actually taken part in a couple of Holi festivals, and basically it signifies the beginning of spring. You basically go out and you throw color at people all day. You get a lot of color thrown at you, and basically at the end of the day, this is kind of what you look like. Your entire body will be covered in this tie-dye looking color, and yeah, you can clearly see the inspiration of that on these sneakers. Now this colorway is obviously not going to be for everyone. It's very bright, it's very out there. I just love that it's so unique looking. Even the right and the left pair are very unique. So on my right pair, it's a very dark purple color all along the prime knit, and it kind of is like a mix of purple and pink over here. And on my left pair, you can see that it's a lot more greenish. There's like a fluorescent green all throughout the prime knit. So I just love this colorway. You also got some hits of, on the back of the shoe, you got some hits of peach, like a pinkish peach on both the pairs. Yeah, it's just such a unique looking colorway. I've never seen this on a shoe before, and this is why I had to cop these. Another thing I like about this particular Human Race NMD is that the words on the shoes don't cover the entire upper of the shoe. It's just a small word. So on the right side we have the letters HU, which stand for human, and on the left side we have the Hindi word rang, which means color. And I like that the words are just small, so it highlights more of this awesome looking tie-dye colorway. Now the laces on these shoes come in a fluorescent green color. It also has hits of 3M all over it. It glows in the dark, the laces do. And the shoes also come with a backup pair of this peach color, which I also like. I haven't tried those on yet, but I will. And yeah, I like that the laces glow in the dark. I think that's pretty cool. I also really like the bottoms on these shoes. Now mine are kind of dirty because I have been wearing these the last couple of days, but I really like this peach bottom. I haven't seen a peach bottom on a pair of shoes before. So yeah, this is kind of unique, and yeah, pretty cool. So I want to talk a little bit about my experience wearing these shoes. So I wore these around the city yesterday, and literally every person walking by me were either glancing or staring at these shoes. I feel like the next time I wear these, I should probably carry around some extra neck braces with me, because people be snapping their necks trying to look at these. These are a literal head turner. So I made a mistake also of wearing a very dark outfit, a black jacket and some green pants, and these shoes were basically highlighted even more by my dark outfit, so I definitely don't suggest doing that. But yeah, so this shoe definitely grabs people's attention. If you're not a fan of that, this is probably not for you. But I think if you just wear a white shirt and some blue pants, some blue jeans, I think these would go great. They wouldn't be as loud as they look with dark clothes. So yeah, you got to be very choosy when picking your outfits while wearing this shoe. I also think this is a really good shoe to wear to summertime music festivals. They have this psychedelic vibe to it. I mean, if this is your brain, then this is your brain on drugs. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. This is definitely my favorite sneaker of 2018. Subscribe to my channel for more content. I really appreciate all the feedback, all the comments, and on feed coming right now. Peace.
I can squeeze like 3 in the front seat. Ferrari just forgot about the back seat. Liquor down there, yeah, don't judge me. She said one day you're gonna in love.